And we're back to learning Illustrator, and here, day 167. Another minor tool is print tiling tool. If you're wondering what that is for, you can use it for bigger artwork. So where you have to print multiple sheets, you can basically split it into tiles, and the tool is for repositioning them. Usually you set it up under File, Print. And by default, I believe it's Do Not Scale under Scaling. And then you get only this little window right here if you use the print tiling tool. But if you set it to tile full pages, you will see multiple. You can set the size down here, and this determines how many of these tiles you're going to see. If I, for example, go to 100 and then to 200, you can see we get more of them. So you can set that up right there, confirm we are done. The placement is for the positioning, but again, you can also use the tool itself to reposition that manually. Not really a tool for beginner, but I wanted to cover it just in case you were wondering what it is for. And as you've seen, I've activated it under View, Show the Tiling. So if you can't see that at all, make sure to go to View and then Show the Print Tiling, and here you can also hide it again. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.